Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today in this video I am going to explain the chapter Footprints Without Feet. It is taken from class 10th English book. Dear students, if we talk about the introduction of the chapter, we can say just H.G. Wells is a famous writer known for his science fictions. Footprints Without Feet is also an interesting science fiction. The title of the story is quite attractive and it has been aptly chosen as the main title for his collection of stories. Dear students, the present story centers around a scientist named Griffin who has invented a method whereby a man can become invisible. He experiments on himself and swallows some rare drugs to make his body transparent like a sheet of glass. Okay, students, the author narrates some episodes which take place because of his invisibility. Okay, students, the feeling of a surprise and shock are those among the citizens as his visible body moves around the city. Dear students, this is the story of a scientist whose name is Griffin. He invented a method by which a man can become invisible. He experiments on himself, swallowed some rare drugs, and become invisible. Okay, students, the author narrates some episodes which take place, or the writer narrates some episodes which take place because of his invisibility in this story. It is really an interesting story. Okay, students, let us see the summary of the chapter Footprints Without Feet. Okay, this is quite an interesting story about a scientist. Who's about a scientist named Griffin. What is the name of the scientist? Griffin. He had been finding ways that could make a man invisible. He got success in his experiment, developed a formula with which he can become invisible. Okay, students, Griffin the scientist developed a formula which he can become invisible but can be touched and felt physically. Okay, he was invisible but can be touched and felt physically. Okay, students, Griffin galloped the drug and become invisible. He invented the drug by taking which he could be invisible. He took the medicine, he took the drugs and became invisible. Okay, students, now what happened? Accidentally stepped in mud and was first seen by two young boys who followed his footprints till it became faint. Okay, students, so we can say Griffin the scientist invented rare drugs and taking them he became invisible, and first he became invisible or he was noticed by two boys when accidentally stepped in mud and was seen by the boys. Okay, students, he was walking on roads and was feeling cold because it was winter at that time, so he was wandering on road and was feeling cold, so he enters a shopping center to feel warm, as because it was winter and he was feeling cold, so he enters a shopping center to feel warm. Okay, student, after the stores shut down, he chooses to wear some comfortable garments and eat something. Okay, students, when store shut down, he wore some comfortable garments and ate something. Okay, he initially unpacks a couple of garments and wears them. At that point, from the kitchen of a cafe, he eats cold meat and some espresso. Later, he decided to sleep on a heap of quilt in a store. The next morning, before he wakes up, some store assistants had seen started following him. He removed all the clothes instantly and became invisible once again. Okay, students, so we can say the scientist became invisible taking some drugs. Now he was invisible, but when he entered in the store, he put on some clothes and became invisible. He ate something and he sleep in the store. On the next morning, when some store assistants came and saw him in the clothes, they tried to caught him to escape from there. He removed his clothes and again became invisible. Okay, students. Now he is wandering without clothes in a chilly winter of London. It is the story of London. Okay. He then decides to take clothes from a theatre company as he was sure he will get something there to cover his face too. Okay. Now he want to become fully visible, so he entered in a theatre company because he know he could get something from there so that his face could also become visible. He has stolen dull glasses, bogus nose, and a hat, and some bandages for covering his face. Okay, students? Then he goes to a shopkeeper's place, stole all his money. Soon he realizes London is quite a busy place to live like this, so he thought of moving to the Epping village, a place where he could live peacefully. So he thought of moving to the Epping village. Okay, students? He booked 2 rooms in a hotel in the village and reached there. It is quite unusual for the villagers that an outsider with such a peculiar appearance. Really, it was a peculiar appearance once he had a hat on his hand and bandage on his face. So it was a peculiar appearance. Okay, with such a peculiar appearance, has come to stay at a hotel throughout winter. It was quite unusual. Okay, what was quite unusual? It was quite unusual that an outsider with such a peculiar appearance has come to stay at a hotel throughout winter. After some time, his money exhausted. Now he was without money. Okay, student? And he started stealing from people. Simply, he started stealing from people. Fourth, he hit the owner and his wife when they attempt to check his room in his absence. As they cannot see anyone, the owners thought that there was a spirit in the inn and that unusual ghost is responsible for it. Okay, students, when the owner and his wife tried to check his room in his absence, actually at that time Griffin was invisible, so they did not know that Griffin was in the room at that time. Okay, he hit them and they thought the room was haunted. There was spirits in the room and it was due to that unusual guest, they thought. Okay, students, at that point, the town constable is requested to inquire in regard to what his identity is and what he did to her furnace. Okay, student, this made him annoyed. This made Griffin annoyed and decided to show his identity. Okay, as a headless man. When constable was called to inquire in regard to what Griffin's identity, then Griffin decided to show his identity as a headless man. They cannot catch hold of Griffin as he took off all his garments, because as he took off his garment he became more invisible, so the constable was unable to catch him. Okay, students, and became invisible, he escaped from there. Thus we can say Griffin, the scientist Griffin, was a brilliant scientist, but he was a lawless person because he did everything wrong. If we talk about the conclusion of Footprints Without Feet, we can say the story tells us the human nature of misusing their own discoveries. Just the Griffin misused his own discoveries. Okay, students, I think the summary of the chapter is clear to you. Now let's talk the word meaning of the chapter. Just we can say imprints, that means impressions. Barefoot footed, that means without uncovered feet. Gaze, look closely. Remarkable, that means wonderful. Descending, coming downwards. The next word is eject. Eject means turn out. Wrappers, that means clothes to wrap with something. Wide brimmed, that means broad, having wide edges. Burglary, that means the theft. These are the words used in the text and their meaning. Okay, students, just the more words are here. Suspicion. Suspicion means doubt. Mysteriously, that means in a secret or strange way. Quick tempered. Quick tempered means short tempered. The person who became angry quickly, that is short tempered or quick tempered. Furious, that is angry. Warrant. If we talk about warrant, then an order of arrest from the court, that is called warrant. Okay, students, I think the video will be helpful to you to understand the chapter. Thank you.